It's so cold. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be taking you through the journey on what happened to my face after using green ice cube tea for 1 week. I am Skin So Beautiful and I like to try on skincare tips, tricks, homemade products and skincare products. All I did to prepare my ice cube tea was bring in a matcha green tea with the distilled water, mix it all together, then incorporate it into my ice cube tray and I left it in the fridge overnight. So this is what I used to apply on my face for the whole 7 days of this challenge. Have you ever tried using ice cube on your face or on your body, and for what reason? I'm so curious. Let me know in the comment section below, and I want to know what are your results because it's different for every skin type. I have zest here on the side of my face, on my forehead, and I look a little bit tired today. So let's see if this is going to improve overnight. Of course, nothing is magical like so that's it. I'm not gonna be doing too much. I'm so happy because my zest is reduced by 70%. So happy. Although my skin is not very smooth because when I touch my face I can still feel the texture. It's not really smooth, but I'm really impressed. I can't really say it's only because of the eyes that made my zest reduce. I think it's because of the benzoyl peroxide I had applied in night before, so that's why it's reduced. And I look glowy and flawless. I'm not looking really tired. So happy. On my forehead I can almost see nothing. So whenever I have acne or pimples, the first thing I'll reach out for is an ice cube. Moreover, if I wake up in the morning I have a little bit of baggy eyes, so let's see if this ice cube is gonna help me. Maybe you cannot really see that my eyes are a little bit tired because of the camera and the lighting, but I can see, at least I can tell myself the truth and I can sleep. Don't forget what I told you previously, to always leave your ice cube at a room temperature for like 5 minutes before you apply directly on your face. Or if you don't have enough time, you want to apply the ice cube right away, you can wrap a tissue or a towel then apply it on your face. Otherwise it's going to end up breaking your skin capillary. Instead of doing good to your skin, it will end up hurting your skin, and we don't want all that. Cube challenge is going to be a little bit different, so I'll be using this SK2 moisturizer all over my face first before I apply the ice cube. I read on the internet that you can get double results from applying serum, so this moisturizer is a serum and a moisturizer together. Okay, that's it for the moisturizer. So mine is already at a room temperature. Watch how I'm applying this ice cube. I'm not leaving it on my face for too long. I'm moving in circular motion and not too fast, but fast enough to get it out of your face. And it's really good for makeup. So let's see how my makeup is gonna hold up today. Already applied a moisturizer earlier. I'm not gonna be washing my face at all, so I'll leave my face on like this and let it dry. And when it's completely dry, I will go and apply my makeup off camera and I will update you guys tomorrow, right? My skin feels and looks amazing. It looks like it's been airbrushed. I really feel with myself. My pores are visibly smaller, and when I wear my makeup it has a way of lasting longer than usual. I had a walk with my friends, a long walk, like 1 hour walk. I ended up with some sunburn. I don't know if you can see. I need to bring the camera a little bit closer so you can see what I'm talking about. As well, see the sunburn around my nose. Sometimes you can have sunburn without even realizing you have a sunburn. You only realize when the damage has been there for a long time and you wouldn't like it. Otherwise, I'm fine. I'm feeling very good for this ice cube, especially when I'm going out. I really look refreshed, like I had 16 hours of sleep. Let's try this on today. Apply this. Ooh. I'll apply more where I have the sunburn, so it's going to reduce maybe overnight. I'll be applying this gel mask overnight because of the sunburn. If you already know how I made this, you can check out my Instagram. I have a lot of interesting DIY minimal skincare over there. Okay, it's not all about ice cube, it's about your skincare routine and an ice cube so you can get double result. Well, that's enough for today, so see you on the next day. When I touch the skin on my face, it's really smooth. It feels really smooth, especially around my nose and my eyes. And the sunburn reduced a little bit, but not that much, but it really reduced. I don't know if you can see, if I come a little bit closer to the camera, if you can see that the sunburn is reduced, and I'm happy with this challenge. Though I don't really have a problem with my skin, but I'm enhancing it. It's good to enhance what you have. Oh, this is different. It's cold. I don't know why it's cold today. And on my lips to make it a little bit more plump. I read that is really good for the lips. I can't move it. So let's see if this is gonna help my lips. My lips are a little bit chappy, not too much, a little bit, and I heard it's going to help my lips look a little bit plump. So let's see. This might not be true, but it's just vain. But let's see. So I will go ahead and apply my aloe vera gel again, and I'll be using the Kiehl's Fluid Mineral Based sunscreen SPF 50 on my face for today because of the sunburn. And that's what I'll be using on my face today, and I will see you guys on the 5th day. I feel I look 5 years younger than I am. My sunburn is almost not invisible. If I don't tell you, you're not gonna know I have a sunburn. Anyway, let's have a look as usual. The lines are beginning to appear on my nose, so for today's challenge, I'm not gonna be using it around my nose, not at all. I'll be doing it all over my face, but in less than 5 seconds. Yeah, wetted my nose because I feel like I'm having an allergic reaction around my nose area. And I'll see you guys on the 6th day so we can really tell you how we feel. This day of the challenge, and I am incredibly impressed with the result. I can see on my face, no makeup, all natural. The only regret I have is I should have applied around my nose, which is fine. And I don't advise anyone to use it consecutively for 7 days. You can use it 3 times a week, 2 times a week, but it's just a trial. If it is your first time, then after that you can use it twice a week or 3 times a week. That's the maximum you can use it, but not every day on your face, because your skin may not be able to tolerate the coolness, the icy feeling of this mask, of this ice cube. Too long, not too long. I'm not gonna be applying it for so long, and that's it. I consider the ice cube a toner because I use distilled water, I use green tea to formulate this, so I didn't find any need to use an extra toner. So that's why I'm not using the toner. And for the eyes, I'm not using eye cream at daytime. I prefer to use my eye cream at nighttime, and most of the time I'm doing this challenge is at daytime. So to answer your questions, in case there's any curiosity, I'll show you guys how my makeup can glide in so smoothly on my face because of this ice cube. I'll be applying it with my foundation brush. Okay. Now for me to apply on my face. My face really looks dewy, hydrated, very healthy looking. Ever since I started using this ice cube on my face, it's very easy to apply my makeup. Apart from being easy to apply my makeup, it's very smooth. It looks very healthy, dewy, and I really appreciate the fact that I use this. So my new tricks is whenever I'm applying makeup, I have to use an ice cube. And the result is phenomenal. It's fabulous. I've never had this glow on my face whenever I have makeup on, but I think this is the trick that some celebrities use because you can see. Then I'll go off camera to apply my blush, whatnot, concealer, powder, whatever you want to apply on your face, do it. Okay, so see you guys on the final day. I hope you really enjoyed this challenge. My ice cube challenge is done for today. The ice cube challenge really helped me with my redness. I had zits initially when I began the ice cube, and it was able to get it off the way. My skin became really radiant, glowy, and hydrated. My tired eyes are visibly gone, and I look younger, if I can say. The only thing I regret about this ice cube challenge is my nose. I started having like arteries on my nose and redness. The rest of my face is cool, but my nose became really sensitive. If you've enjoyed this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification button so you get updated whenever I upload new videos like this on YouTube. Please write down on the comment section below so I know what you want me to try out on this channel. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching and stay beautiful.